What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Lavina. Hello, guys. I miss you guys so much. But truth be told, your girl, once again, times is hard, but I'm still blessed. I'm still here. Hi, thank you guys so much for checking on me. I really appreciate it. So I got a hold to a few dollars, and I got a couple of new exciting things to tell you guys. But let's get into the video. Let's see what we're going to stuff. We're going to stuff 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. $14 today. Hey. But y'all, guess what? I had an interview today at Home Depot. So no shame in my game, honey. So I had the interview. It went well. So we just waiting on the background check. So y'all pray for your girl, okay? And I just been working and trying to hustle, been busy, staying encouraged. Everybody staying encouraged, honey, because like I say, tough times don't last always. Y'all, we going through a season, and it's okay because it's making us stronger. It's making my marriage stronger, the ups and downs and all of it. You know what I mean? I believe it's making us stronger, okay? Y'all, so firstly, we're going to get into this savings challenge. Let's try to add something to that. But yeah, I've been fine. Thank y'all once again for checking on me. Like, girl, you okay over there? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just, working, honey. And at least, I do be wanting to go live sometime and stuff. But, I make the videos when I can. Y'all understand, honey. So let's see, y'all. So we're going to be adding $5 to this for our savings challenge. This challenge here is from Golden Girl Budgets, and it's worth $60. So we added $5. We're going to color that in today. How y'all been? How everybody hanging in there? I know y'all blessed just like me, honey. If you looking at this video, then you blessed. That's all to it. Somebody asks you how you doing. I'm blessed. That's what I've been trying to, I've been telling myself, like, don't nobody care. Don't nobody care about, people care, but truth be told, everybody going through something, honey. Nobody want to hear you talking about what you going through all the time. I'm going to pray for you and keep on going. We all got to just keep on pushing, honey. All right, y'all. Okay, so let's see what we got now. We got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yep, as we should. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And that's what it is. We did complete some of those other challenges, which helped out. I had to spend money out of the binders too, not all of it. I didn't have to touch my emergency fund, but I had to pay the bills that I needed to pay. Daquan had that $20 in there, y'all. I took that to add with his grooming fee because my baby, we can't let him get mad at it. So his little challenge, we took that, and Jaden, he spent most of his money out of his binder, except his savings challenge is still, not his savings challenge, but his savings is still all here, the $70. But, he haven't got child support in a few weeks. So, hey, hopefully, I don't know what's up with that, but it's okay because we going to make it over here. So, yeah, but his other stuff, we got his hair done for school and all that. So, he got something in the little gifts. But all his other stuff, y'all know, like his entertainment, his hair, all that had to get cut for school. So, yeah, I'll get to it when I can, y'all. My little, my sinking fund. I did pay my debt that was in here. Remember I told y'all I needed $100, so I did take that $30 out of there, and I paid that $100 for this month. It's due again every month for 8 months. I still got my emergency fund, which is $40. Grace be to God. But we hanging in there, y'all. Will basically had to spend his. So, but it don't matter. You know what I mean? We have it in there to spend, and we still moving. You know what I mean? We got to spend use a little time like these, grocery, food, gas, everything. But hey, it is what it is. But today we're going to be doing a little something in my binder. we're going to be putting, let's get this on out the way so y'all can see what I'm doing here. Yeah, we're going to be doing a little bit out of my little binder, which is pretty much, except birthday and little money, but, yes, so savings is going to be getting $3. No, 4. Savings is going to be getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Get my little savings account back up, honey. And I said, I gotta make my video today. Like, it's going on 2 weeks. Y'all know that ain't like your girl, honey. I cannot, like, but I'm telling y'all, my money done had somewhere to go, honey. Birthday is going to get $1 since it don't, it got more money than anything else in here. So birthday got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My birthday is September the 16th, you guys. Just to let y'all know. So, but how is school going? How is y'all assimilating from summer break to school? It's going pretty smooth over here. Shopping, not getting nothing. I got enough clothes. Beauty is going to get $2 because I've been doing my own hair, y'all. So, but I do need some gel, some hair gel. I just been doing it up in a nice slick ponytail. My hair, you know what I mean? Hey, it is what it is. When I can, I will. Dining out, not getting nothing. But you know what? Because we're going to add this other to the savings. Because the other ones, I've been doing good, y'all. Because I haven't been really eating out. We've been cooking, y'all. I've been losing weight. We've been eating at home. We've been going, you want some ice cream? Okay, well, let's go to the grocery store. Let's go get a gallon of ice cream. And we about to make these cones or something. But it's going to be made in house. That's just what it was. Oh, and the vendor event was good, y'all, too. It was really nice. I brought some of my shapewear. I sold one of my waist trainers. So that was good. I said, let me start. I got all this shapewear in the closet. Let me start bringing it to these vendor events. So it was cool. The vendor events, we got one, actually, we have another one this Saturday. So, they help pay the bills. I tell you that. But, you got to buy more product and stuff like that. But the profit helps pay the bill. So I'm thankful for that. So now savings has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So God, thank you so much for the money that I did have today to put in the binder. Thank you so much. And thank y'all so much. I want to say hello to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all so much for coming to check your girl out and for supporting me. And thank you all to my old subscribers, my day ones. Y'all know I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Your girl, I'm telling y'all, pray I get this job at Home Depot. Because then, my money can add up quicker. And I can have more to, save for me and my family. So I hope I do get it. It's part-time. But I'm fine with that. Y'all, look, Amazon delivery hired me too. Will was like, oh, no. No. As one of the Amazon... as the Amazon delivery people. Y'all, I'm telling you, I was like, oh, the money that all kept adding up in my mind was the dollars. I wasn't thinking about all them flights of steps and this and that. Like, I don't work out enough to be doing that. And then you got to work from like 11 to 8. Now, then I mean, I'll be out there on country roads at night. But girl, I'm telling you, your girl is a trooper. I was willing to do it if my husband didn't talk some sense into me. So, that's something strange for some change right there. That's doing something strange for some change. I can't even stand snakes and stuff like that and bugs. Can y'all imagine me out in the woods trying to deliver somebody's package? in the middle of the night. Oh my God. I'll be probably terrified. So, but you know, me wanting money, hey, I was like, you be thinking sometimes like, hey, I'll take some jobs and figure it out later. But I'm glad he talked some sense into me, y'all. That wouldn't have last long. Okay, y'all. I just wanted to say thank you once again. Mwah! See you guys later on the next video. Bye.